I think the biggest problem today is the limitations that we put on ourselves and the boxes we put ourselves in. I can't do this because I never learned that, or I won't try this because I was never good at it. The fact that we attach the events that we experience to what we're capable of being puts a wall in front of our potential, which means you'll spend your whole life wondering how far you could go because you're dead set on this one thing that you've basically labeled yourself. And by the time you realize you're already set to die.
Hey, who turned off the lights?
So how are we going to rewire this part of ourselves? The answer is simple. Observation. Analyze it, realize it, then act upon it. Be aware of your current perspective on your way of life and observe those moments that you begin to doubt your ability to do something. Challenge your current perspective. Realize the thoughts you have are just ideas and they are not a fact of life or nature. If it's humanly possible, you can do it. Then you must take action to the person that you want to become. The actions you do is what makes you who you are. When a smoker decides that he wants to stop smoking, he's not somebody who quit smoking, he is a non-smoker. Just as a smoker became the non-smoker, you can become the identity that you decide that you want to be. Because labels are interchangeable. They are interchangeable because they are ideas. By understanding the labels we put on our identities are merely just thoughts used to categorize who we are, you discover that you can't categorize human beings. We are complex. We are many things. Labeling places limitations on what we can be. We forget that labels are ideas and can be shifted and changed whenever we want. The person you are now doesn't have to be the person you are tomorrow. It doesn't even have to be the person you are today. You can switch what you want to do and who you want to be anytime. But because we place limitations on ourselves, like labels, we give ourselves an excuse not to do the things that we truly desire. And we end up regretting it. This identity shift is crucial in your growth and can be a challenging task. You might feel like giving up. Learn how you can beat this thought process by watching this video next. And remember, you're not limited to this body, to this mind, or to this reality. You are an infinite ocean of consciousness embedded with infinite potential. You are existence itself.